Welcome guys. Now we are going to solve another problem here. It's stated like x to the power 4 is equal 64. So how can we solve this problem? This problem simply can say as an exponent of something and then again another exponent. So for that calculation we may think our problem as a formula like that. We may state a to the power m to the power n is equal a to the power m into n is equal a to the power n into m is equal a to the power n to the power m. So here we simply can simplify the problem. A to the power m to the power n is equal a to the power n to the power m. So that can be stated like that. So we simply can say that we can exchange our exponent by one another. So we may exchange them, the exponential here stated. So from that problem here we are stated, we may simplify this problem by just putting another thing. We may state it another formula like a is equal x, then we may write then a to the power m is equal x to the power m. That is, we may implement same exponential on both sides. There is a formula. So to solve this problem we can apply that formula. We simply can implement another exponent to both sides. So we may rewrite this problem like that: x to the power 4 to the power 4 is equal 64 to the power 4. Here we just put it same exponent on both sides of our equation, and that makes our problem easy to solve. It's a trick to solve our mathematical problem. So now we can exchange our exponent like that. So we may rewrite x to the power 4 to the power x to the power 4. We just simply exchange our exponent. As stated here, we can exchange our exponent by this formula. So we may rewrite this: x to the power 4 is equal x to the power 4 to the power x. Then our formula is like that: 64 to the power 4. Now we may rewrite that x to the power 4 to the power x to the power 4 is equal 64 to the power 4. We just simplified our equation like that, and those are based on that formula we write on the right side. So now what can we do for this equation? We may solve this by making the both sides similar. So how can we solve it? So now we can rewrite x to the power 4 to the power x to the power 4. That means we are putting something to the power something. We just write the same thing as base as an exponent as stated here. We may put same value here, x and x, and on the right side we may calculate the problem as stated here, base to the power base, that is x to the power x. So we just rewrite this 64 as 8 to the power 2 to the power 4. Again, we can rewrite this value as 8 to the power 8. As we stated here, x to the power 4 exponent x to the power 4, that is x power x, and here we can rewrite the right side as x to the power x, that is 8 to the power 8. So from this equation, like that, x to the power x is equal 8 to the power 8. So we can rewrite from here that x is equal 8. So now what can we do? We can state this equation, x to the power 4 is equal 8. So if we want to find out the value of x, then we can again rewrite that one is x equal plus minus root over, we can write that 8 and as root 4. So the value of x is equal plus minus 4 root over 8. So that's our answer. So thank you guys. Welcome to next video to watch.